All right, my favorite scientists. Hopefully you had so much fun yesterday doing the experiment and that you took pictures along the way. If not, that is okay. You can watch the process regardless. So let's tell the world about our experiment by doing these clips. So first thing we were going to do is look for, let's see, we're going to look for clips. This one right here. And you're going to click on it. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get started on going to our photos. So remember the pictures like here are right here. Get that settled, sorry, not to make you dizzy. This is what we're going to use to record. If you want to flip the camera, there it will go. And then these will be the effects. We will do that a little bit later. That's just to bedazzle our team. All right, so first of all, let's go to the tippity top corner right here. We're going to push plus so that we are starting a new project. All right, so first thing we will start by picking a picture. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to the very beginning. Sorry, these are a little out of order because I was doing too many things at once. All right, so this is the beginning one. I'm going to make it a little smaller. All right, and then I will push on this reddish pink bar and I will record, and it goes like this. Today, we are going to do an experiment on how candy canes dissolve. Right? Then I will do again for the next part. So I will go to photos again, and I will look for this. Let's see. We will do this one next. Okay, it will shrink. Once you fill each cup up with a vinegar, maybe a soda, oil, and water, you will add 1 candy cane to each of the solutions. All right. Then I will go to photos again. And I will look for the next part. So the next part is where it's kind of, you will be able to see a little bit. Let's see, actually, I did take a picture. Let's see. It is the hard part of having so many. All right, we'll use this one. We'll make it smaller. All right. As time goes on, you will notice that the candy cane coloring, the red part, is coming off of the candy cane itself. Do there again. So it will be a little more dissolved. Let's see there. And then finally, if you will notice very close, you see little tiny pieces on 1 or 2 of the bottoms. So it is almost completely dissolved, and this was after 20 minutes. And I will go for a picture again, and I will look, and let's see. This one is where I took the picture. If you will notice the time, I had set it for 30 minutes, and now the timer is about to go off in 1 minute, and the solution has completely dissolved the candy canes for 3 different waters or liquids. And then I will go to picture again, and I will look for the final one, which is this one. We will put it right here. All right. You will notice at 12:44, all of these other ones were totally melted except the one with the oil. It did nothing but make it oily. And then I will go back to the photos. And then it will look. And that is probably it. Nope. So I will go back to the photos. And all right, so let's see. There you go. And one more picture of you looking at this with all of these dissolved. And now we will talk about the end result. And the photo. And this part you will say whatever you want to say, like this happened, this went faster. Like your job will be to notice things You know, maybe yours will do it in 20 minutes. Maybe your candy cane is bigger. All right, so I've got me. I'm going to play it. Let's see how it turned out. Today, we are going to do an experiment on how candy canes dissolve. Once you fill each cup up with a vinegar, maybe a soda, oil, and water, you will add 1 candy cane to each of the solutions. As time goes on, you will notice that the candy cane coloring, the red part, is coming off of the candy cane itself. And then finally, if you will notice very close, you see little tiny pieces on 1 or 2 of the bottoms. So it is almost completely dissolved, and this was after 20 minutes. If you will notice the time, I had set it for 30 minutes, and now the timer is about to go off in 1 minute. And the solution has completely dissolved the candy canes for 3 different waters or liquids. You will notice at 12:44, all of these other ones were totally melted except the one with the oil. It did nothing but make it oil. And one more picture of you looking at this with all of these dissolved. And now we will talk about the end result. All right, so basically you can tell us what happened, if you enjoyed it. Then you can have fun with these different parts of these apps. So I'm going to go to effects, and let's try like something, like you might want to make it like a comic book. Okay, I'm going to see what that does. I'm going to say, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to go back and look and see. Okay, I will do the same. They will do comic book. They will do comic. Just to check it out. This one I'm going to do different. Now it will keep it the same. Comic book. Effects. Comic book. There. Oops, we must do this one. Really just have fun with it. Like you are not only doing the science, but you are creating using your very own imagination. And hey, everybody's imagination is a little bit different. So maybe just getting the project is awesome for you. Or maybe you like to add more. You can add music. If you look up here in the tippity top, you can push on these and do soundtracks, because these are already loaded. I'm going to click on these. You can take time to listen to them all. I'm going to do Illumination for my favorite show. All right, so oopsies. Cancel. All right, so Illumination. I'm going to do that. I'm going to go back. All right, so done. It will add it. Let's start here. One more picture of you looking at. Today we are going to do an experiment on how candy canes. All right, so again, have fun with it. Enjoy this experiment. If you have 3 pictures, that is great. I went a little overboard because I was just trying to help you. All right, I cannot wait to see your clips. Make sure to upload it so that your teachers can see your amazing work. All right, have a good one. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.